Good morning, everyone. Today's our topic is Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So let us understand its statement first. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now it says that if in a triangle, let us draw a figure first. It is a triangle ABC in which, let's say, DE is parallel to BC. It is given that a line parallel to one side of a triangle. So I am taking DE, a line which is parallel to BC. Okay. Now what? Now next line is then intersecting other two side इन डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, दो दो बाकी के जो दो लाइन्स हैं उनको दो डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट किया है. ठीक है, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव इज वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. That it means that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. ठीक है, सेम रेशो में डिवाइड होते हैं. तो अब आई होप आपको स्टेटमेंट क्लियर हो गई होगी. Now first of all we will write given. We are given that D is parallel to BC. Okay, and what we have to prove is to prove AD upon DB ratio of these two lines is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, now for proof we have to do construction. So first of all we will join BE and DC. So join BE and DC. Okay, and also we have to draw perpendicular from D and E both. So we will draw a perpendicular from D. It is perpendicular to AE. ठीक है, let's take it as M. So we will take DM perpendicular to AE, and from E also we have to draw perpendicular. Let's take it N. So EN perpendicular to AD. ठीक है, now for proof we'll start from area of, we have this triangle ADE. So we will start from this. So you know that, as you know that area of ADE is half into base into height. Okay, now what is base here? First of all I will take base as AD, then height will be EN. So half into AD into EN. Okay, so area of ADE is equal to half into AD into EN. This is the first equation. Okay, now I will find out the area of BDE, because for this also we have same perpendicular, we have same height. So area of BDE is equals to half into base will be DB into height will be EN, because for this AD and DB height will be same, EN is the height. This is equation 2. Okay, similarly for we can find out area of ADE by taking DM as height. Okay, so area of ADE is equals to half into base AE into height TN. Okay, this is equation third. Now I have to take DM as another height for this triangle also. So for triangle DEC, half into base will be EC and height will be DM. Okay, now what will I do is, after this what I will do, I will take ratio of equation 1 and 2 and ratio of equation 3 and 4. Okay, so dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get what we get, area of ADE upon में area of triangle BDE is equals to half into AD into EN upon half into AE into DN. ठीक है, so in this you will cut equal parts. Sorry, I have to write this, BD लिया है ना मैंने, तो DB into EN. So I will cut it. So area of triangle ADE upon में area of triangle BDE is equals to AD upon DB. ठीक है, this is our equation 12. Now after this I will divide equation 3 by equation 4. Dividing equation 3 by equation 4. ठीक है, area of ADE upon area of DCE or DEC is equals to half into AE into DM upon half into EC into DM. ठीक है, by simplifying this we get AE upon EC. Okay, this is equation 6. Now you can see here from fifth and from sixth equation, these two triangles are same, ADE and ADE. We have to do, what we have to do is we have to make these two triangle equal. Okay, for these two how can we make these two triangle equal? Because we know that, look at the figure, we know that BDE and DEC, they both are on same base and between two parallel lines. So and we also know that if two triangles are on the same base and between two parallel lines, then their areas are equal. So this we have studied in class 9. So we can say that area of BDE is equal to area of DEC because they lie on the same base and between two parallel lines Now from equation 5th and 6th we can see that LHS of both the equation are equal, क्योंकि ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल इक्वल थे और ये दोनों ट्राइंगल इक्वल हो गए बिकॉज दे आर ऑन द सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइन्स. So we can say that their RHS is also equal. So from equation 5th and 6th we can say that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This we have to prove, hence prove.